Hey, Monte with Skupnos Novo Zilinu with you again, talking about answers to questions. And sometimes I get this, like someone is concerned and they say, I was baptized as a baby, so I'll be okay, right? Now, the truth is, the Bible is very clear that people are spiritually rescued or become a part of the family of God when they understand, number one, that they are sinners. Two, that they deserve judgment for their sin. Three, God made a way for their sins to be paid for by the sacrifice of Jesus in the place of those who are guilty. And four, receiving this gift of Jesus' death in our place that is freely offered to every person. Those are the four things. And we've talked about that in other videos. Now, the important thing to understand is this gift must be received by that person specifically. So this is a decision that is made by someone with understanding. Since babies cannot make a conscious decision for themselves, they are not receiving spiritual rescue or becoming children of God. They are simply being washed when a baby is baptized, and that is meaningless. And I understand the Catholic Church started this during a time when infant mortality was very high. And in their minds, they wanted to ensure that babies went to heaven. But the problem is they totally misunderstand what the Bible says and the fact that babies already go to heaven because God does not hold someone responsible for decisions that they can't make. God is fair and just and right. So if you were baptized as a baby and you are depending on that for a reason that God will let you into heaven, then sadly you're going to be devastated when you hear him say, I'm sorry, that was what someone else said was right, but not what I said in my Bible. Baptism can be found in the Bible, but every case results from someone making a personal decision about Jesus. After that decision is made, baptism is a step of identification with what Jesus did for us. He died, was buried, and he rose again. So when a person is baptized, they are picturing the death, burial, and resurrection of Jesus by being fully immersed into water and then rising again. That is what the Bible really says about baptism. And the truth is this, it's not a part of becoming a child of God. It is an action after someone becomes a child of God. So don't trust what someone else says. Read the Bible for yourself, and then you will discover exactly what God says about how to have a relationship with him. If you want more information about that, we are very happy to explain everything that the Bible says about how to become a child of God, about baptism. If you have other questions, we're happy to sit down and discuss those too. So just reach out to us on any of the methods that you see in the QR code that's going to follow this video. So until the next video, God bless you.